Всем привет, hello everyone, and right now we can see it, how's our beautiful celebrity accent sailing from Port Everglades. We're leaving Fort Lauderdale. I'm located right now in the front of the ship and in a beautiful spa, Persian gardens here. Everybody's outside, sounds like, and I'm come here to use Turkish sauna, the also salt room, inhale, nice rainforest shower, steam room, dry sauna. It is amazing. And this is Valentina, live from Celebrity Accents. We are sailing to transatlantic cruise. Just before us, Celebrity Reflection is already take off, and also another ship. It was Freedom of the Seas. Lovely day in paradise. We're leaving United States of America, and the next stop in 2 days it will be Bermuda Wharf, Bermuda Triangle. Valentina live from Persian Gardens here in Celebrity Ascent. 561-335-9459. Cruising through life with luxury travel by Valentina. Next step, dry sauna.